What am I doing? I'm talking to you. You like me? But I like you all. So kids, you're going to enjoy making this fortune teller for this activity. And what are we going to learn from this is open, close, open, close. So tell it again with me. Open, close. So what is this doing here? It's opening its mouth so wide and then it is closing. Open and close. So shall we also do this? Take the small bit of paper and fold it. And then open it. Again, take the other side, fold it, and then open it. And now fold it till the middle part. You can take help from your mama. I'm going to fold all the 4 sides. How many sides? All the 4 sides. So can you see? And then now reverse it and fold it. 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then the last fold 4. So after you fold it, keep it like this and then press it tightly and then open it. So can you see the 4 cups? Can you see this? The 4 cups are ready. Yes. And now let us turn it into a lovely character. So for that we'll apply some glue and then paste the eyes. See? Paste the eyes so it can see. But then what is missing here? Ears. So apply some glue. So the ears are also done. And then press it. And now let's make hands. So apply glue and paste it on both the sides. And then let's make legs. Same way, apply glue over here at the corner and paste it. So the last bit of sticking, apply some glue and paste the other leg. So your character is ready. And now what we'll do? We'll mark the nose. And then its mouth. And this is also going to talk to you. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So this is how you will learn the open and close concept. So by this activity, now you know what is open, close, open and close.